Hi friends, this is Anastasiia Hurtova, your favorite Chicago realtor, and today we are talking again about why I think the fall and winter months are the best months to be in the market and the best time to be a buyer. So as you know, Chicago real estate is very seasonal. I have made a video about the seasonality of the market. You can watch it right here. And in that video, I described how every season differs and why I gave pros and cons of being in the market in each of the seasons. But today I want to focus specifically on fall and winter months. So what we're seeing right now in the market is that yes, interest rates unfortunately are still climbing up, but when it's cold outside, what you get is you get less competition. Some people that I talk to, they don't realize that even though interest rates are high, the market is still pretty hot. So this past spring of 2023, I was working with buyers. We were trying to buy a two-bath condo in Lakeview, and we were competing with 24 people on one property, 19 people on the other property, and finally the property that we were able to secure, we were one of 4 offers. So when you're looking in the fall or winter, you get less competition. So you might be one of 2, or you might be the only offer on the table, right? What it gives you, why it's really valuable, is because you have more leverage as a buyer. You have a better chance at negotiating and getting the terms that you actually want. What I also see happening right now is many buyers I talk to, they extended their leases, and let's say their lease does not expire until May of next year or June of next year or maybe March of next year, but they are already in the market now in October of 2023 because they realize that it is better for them to pay the fee to cancel their lease, which if you're renting something for $2,000, it might be 2 months fee, so maybe you will pay $4,000 to cancel that lease. But on the other end, you will not have to overpay $10,000 or $20,000 over asking to secure that property, which will actually keep your monthly payments more manageable, keep it lower and make it more manageable for your budget. So reason number 1, less competition. Reason number 2, better pricing. And what I mean by better pricing is that when I talk with sellers who are looking to sell in the fall or winter months, and I run my comparative market analysis, I look at the similar houses that sold in that neighborhood. And if I see that those houses sold in May or June, I cannot really take the price that they sold for and be confident that this is the number we're gonna get when we're selling in October or November, because again, less competition, less buyers looking, higher interest rates right now. So we have to adjust. We have to price more carefully. We have to think about, okay, do you want to sell fast? Do you need to be out of there by a certain date? Or are you just trying to get the best number? So many things go into when you get to pricing a property. But what I'm trying to say here is that sellers become more reasonable and understand that they cannot go above what the property is really worth. Reason number 3 is you can get a better deal. And a good deal for every person might mean different things. For somebody, it's getting a discount on the price. For someone else, it might mean getting more time to close, longer closing timeline, or maybe getting a credit from the seller, or maybe not having to go as is and be able to ask the seller to do some repairs to the house before you move in. So a good deal is different for everybody, but when you're looking in the fall and winter months, you have that opportunity to negotiate. You have that opportunity to try and find the best deal that would work for you. And as I said, you can leverage seller credits. You may use a seller credit to do a 2-1 buy down and lower your rate. This is something that is not really available when you're competing with 20 other people in the spring market. These are my 3 reasons why I think fall and winter months are a good time to be in the market. So again, to sum it up, less competition, better pricing, better deals. Do you want to start looking for a new home? Send me a DM or reach out via email. I'll be happy to help you.